Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix 7-zip error when installing AutoHotkey. First method is turn off antivirus. Second method is install using command prompt. Third method is download and install using browser. Click download exe. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.